Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video we are going to take up another very interesting and challenging radical equation for the real values of x. So let's get it started. We have x plus 3 over 3, x plus 4 over 4, x plus 6 over 6. So let us split numerators with respect to their denominators. We'll write x over 3 plus 3 over 3, which is 1, plus x over 4 plus 4 over 4, which is plus 1, plus the square root of x over 6 plus 1, plus the square root of x over 12 plus 1 equal to 5x over 12 plus 48 over 12, which is 4. We have x over 3, x over 4, x over 6, x over 12. To get rid of denominators, we can use substitution x equal to 12y suppose. So our equation will convert into variable y. We will write square root of x over 3 will be 4y. Then we have plus 1 plus square root of x over 4 will be 3y. We have plus 1 plus square root of x over 6 will be 2y plus 1 plus square root of x over 12 will be y. We have plus 1. In right hand side we'll write 5 times 12y over 12 will be 5y plus 4. Now we can use substitutions. Let's say square root y plus 1. Suppose this is a. Square root 2y plus 1 b. Square root 3y plus 1 it is c. Square root 4y plus 1 suppose it is d. So we can get our first equation a plus b plus c plus d equal to 5y plus 4. This is equation number 1. Remember our substitution is x equal to 12y. Now we will be squaring our substitutions. So let me write here a equal to square root y plus 1. So from here I will square both sides and write a square equal to y plus 1. Similarly, b is equal to square root 2y plus 1. After squaring both sides, we will get b square, which will be equal to 2y plus 1. From substitution, c equal to square root 3y plus 1. After squaring both sides, we will get c square equal to 3y plus 1. And d is square root 4y plus 1. Once we will square both sides, we are going to get d square, which will be equal to 4y plus 1. Now we will add these four equations. So we can write a square plus b square plus c square plus d square equal to 1y, 2y, 3y, 4y, 10y plus 4, which will be equal to 10y plus 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Now we can take 2 common from first two terms. So we will get 5y plus 4 in the bracket minus 4. Now our first equation was a plus b plus c plus d equal to 5y plus 4. This is first equation, equation number 1. So in this place, we can write a plus b plus c plus d. So we will write a square plus b square plus c square plus d square equal to 2 times a plus b plus c plus d minus 4. Now we will split 4. This 4 can be written as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And we will take all the terms to left hand side. So we will write a square plus b square plus c square plus d square plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 2a minus 2b minus 2c minus 2d equal to 0. Now we will pick a square minus 2a and 1 in one bracket. So a square minus 2a plus 1. In other bracket, we'll change the variable to b square minus 2b plus 1. In third bracket, c square minus 2c plus 1. In fourth bracket, we'll write d square minus 2d plus 1 equal to 0. So this is a minus 1 whole square, this is b minus 1 whole square, this is c minus 1 whole square, and here we have d minus 1 whole square. So we can write a minus 1 whole square plus b minus 1 whole square plus c minus 1 whole square plus d minus 1 whole square equal to 0. Sum of squares equal to 0. This will be possible if brackets equal to 0. This bracket equal to 0, this bracket equal to 0, this bracket equal to 0, and this bracket equal to 0. So we'll get 4 equations: a minus 1 equal to 0, b minus 1 equal to 0, c minus 1 equal to 0, d minus 1 equal to 0. So from these 4 equations, we will get a equal to b equal to c equal to d equal to 1, equal to d equal to 1. Now a was our substitution is square root y plus 1. So we can write square root of y plus 1 equal to square root of 2y plus 1 equal to square root of 3y plus 1 equal to square root of 4y plus 1 equal to 1. Now we will be squaring and we will get y plus 1 equal to 2y plus 1 equal to 3y plus 1 equal to 4y plus 1 equal to 1 square, which is 1. So these 4 equations will hold true once y equal to 0. So we will get y equal to 0. And our substitution was x equal to 12y. So we can write here x equal to 12 times 0. X will be equal to 0. The only real solution which will satisfy our equation, it is x equal to 0. Now we are going to cross-examine our solution x equal to 0. Let's put x equal to 0 in left hand side. We will get LHS square root of 0 plus 3 over 3, 3 over 3 which is 1 plus square root of 0 plus 4 over 4, 4 over 4 which is 1 plus square root of 0 plus 6 over 6, it is 6 over 6 square root 1 plus 0 plus 12 over 12 is 1, so square root 1. We will get 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. LHS becomes 4. Now we have right hand side 5x plus 48 over 12. So we will check right hand side at x equal to 0. We will write 5 times 0 plus 48 over 12 will be equal to 48 over 12, which will be equal to 4. LHS equal to RHS. Hence our solution x equal to 0 is true and verified. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.